Welcome back to another episode of Retro Unboxing. Today we've got something a little different, the Airfix Washington's Army kit. This one's definitely one for you diorama builders out there. Inside the box you'll find 40 figures, all moulded in that bright blue plastic we've strangely got used to by now. And the material has that slightly waxy, rubbery feel that comes with these older sets. But once you get a bit of primer on them, they'll paint up nicely. What's really impressive here are the details. For such a compact set, the figures have a lot of character. You can already start to see some storytelling coming through in the poses. There are two soldiers carrying another on a stretcher, one shifting a barrel, and even a couple crawling across the ground. Those little moments make it easy to imagine the biggest scene they belong to. This is exactly the sort of set that works so well for dioramas. You don't just get soldiers standing in lines, you get a slice of life from the battlefield. Maybe a camp scene, a skirmish, a retreat, whatever you want to build. The pieces here give you plenty of options. So what do you think? Would you build Washington's Army? And should Airfix bring back more of these historical figure sets for modern modelers? Let us know in the comments below. And if you've enjoyed this episode of Retro Unboxing, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more kits and more nostalgia. We'll see you next time.